Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to generate a table from the spreadsheet window. So head on to view and then open your spreadsheet. So when I open it, let's say I have a set of points like let's say I have x values. I'm just showing something, and I have y values. Let's say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's say we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2. Alright, so I want to generate a table for this one, or create a table for this. So all I need to do is to highlight all of it. So you are supposed to come here, this side, and then highlight everything. Alright, so the next thing is just right click on it and go to create. You can see table here. Done. So to create a table here, which is here, and you can actually right click on it, go to object properties, and then open it up. Sure. So object properties, come to basic. The basic is already text. You can make it big if you want. You can make it bold and italic. The color too, you can change the color to anything. Let's say I want to change my color to red. You can see that. Let's say I want to change my color to black. Back again to red. And the position, you can actually start with the position, but it's fine. The rest is done. Cool. So this is how to create a table. All right. See you next time. Bye.